So we saw the lingam and vachanam in the last class. Lingam, I said there are 3 lingams. 3 lingam irukku. Pullingam, Strilingam, Napumsakalingam. So அதுல என்ன நான் டிஃபரன்ஸ் சொன்னேன்? புல்லிங்கம் அப்படின்னா நம்ம சாதாரணமா மாஸ்குலைன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். அப்போ ஆண் வர்க்கத்தை மட்டும் புல்லிங்கமா எடுத்துப்போம் மிச்ச லாங்குவேஜஸ்ல, மிச்ச பாஷையில. ஸ்திரீலிங்கம் அப்படின்னா ஃபெமினைன், அது மட்டும் எடுத்துப்போம். நியூட்டர்னா எதுக்கெல்லாம் உயிர் இல்லையோ, இப்போ ட்ரீ இஸ் அ நியூட்ரல் ஜெண்டர் இன் இங்கிலீஷ். ஓகே, பட் சம்ஸ்கிருதத்துல அப்படி கிடையாது. சம்ஸ்கிருதத்துல புல்லிங்கம், ஸ்திரீலிங்கம் and Napumsakalingam, it does not depend on the he, she, it. அப்படி டிபெண்ட் பண்ணாது. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், விருக்ஷஹ, மரம், விருக்ஷஹ இஸ் அ புல்லிங்க சப்தம். இட்ஸ் அ புல்லிங்க சப்தம். ஓகே, அப்போ இப்ப மாலா, மாலா அப்படிங்கிறது மாலை, garland, mala. Mala can be the name of some person also. 2 things. A mala is a garland. Now garland has got, we say, no life. அது உயிர் இல்லாததுன்னு நம்ம இங்கிலீஷ்ல garland is a neutral gender, we will say. But Beena madam, can you please mute yourself? Yeah. So garland is neuter when it comes to English, but in Sanskritam it is feminine. அது ஸ்திரீலிங்கம். So புல்லிங்கம், ஸ்திரீலிங்கம். Padmavati madam, please mute. Pullingam, Strilingam, Napumsakalingam. We can just have one indication. In Pullinga, generally, the letter ending will be Visarga. These are all general rules. All rules, எந்த விதியா இருந்தாலும் விதி விலக்கு இருக்கும். அந்த மாதிரி all rules have exceptions. So generally, Pullinga, we say Ramaha, Saha, Guruhu. Okay. Then we say Kavihi, Patihi. So Visarga, when it is ending in Visarga, we take it as Pullinga. Okay. Now, Strilinga. Strilinga is generally denoted by Akara and Ikara. Akara. Now I said Sita, Mala, Asha. These are all Strilinga. And Nadi. Nadi is an Ikara Shabda. Lakshmi. Ikara Shabda. That all becomes Saraswati. Ikaranta Shabdam becomes Strilingam. Nadi is also Ikaranta Shabdam. So generally, just keep in your mind, it's all general. In Napumsakalingam, how it comes? Phalam. Adu Akaranta only will be there. Phala Shabda only. But it will end like that. Phalam. Okay. You say Phalam, Pushpam. All these are Napumsakalingam. Generally, it is denoted by Makara at the end. So if there is one Visarga ending word, we can say adu Pullingam. That is Visarga ending na kandipa kandupidichidala. Then Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Rikaranta. See, the ending can be only Ajanta. Now I am talking, there is also Halanta. But Halanta ending also is there. Now I am talking only about Ajanta. Ajanta na enna? Achu anta. Achu na enna? Vowels. Those which are ending in Ach. Ach means vowels. Hal means consonant. So Ajanta, now I am talking only about Ajanta. Ajanta means it will have a vowel ending. Ipa Rama. How we will write? Refa, A, Makara, then A. So Rama Shabdam. Okay. The Rama is it's a ending Ajanta. Ach, Antam is Ajanta. Hal, Antam. Antam means ending. Is Halantam. Okay. These are the things we discussed in the last class regarding the words. Then we come to the Vachana. This is the Lingam. Vachanam is a number. Singular, plural. So I was just saying, in Sanskritam, in all other languages, there is singular and plural. But in all other languages, it is there. In Sanskritam, Ekavachanam. Ekavachanam, only one. Singular. Dvivachanam. See, there is this Dvivachanam is not there in any other language. Only in Sanskritam you can find Dvivachanam. Two people are there. Then Bahuvachanam. Bahuvachanam is plural, many, more than two. See, in Sanskritam, if there are two, it's not plural. It is Dvivachanam. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Okay, so we have lingam, 3 lingams, and we have 3 vachanams. This all we have to see. In this, now supposing I say Rama, Ramaha, I will see whether I saved one page for you. I don't know whether I have it. 1 minute. I had sent it in the, I had put it in the, what is that?
WhatsApp group.
WhatsApp or in GCR? WhatsApp.
No, WhatsApp.
In WhatsApp I had put it, okay. I had put it in the group, but I also thought I had it. Yeah. Yeah, I just want to see. I just want to show you that Rama Shabdam. Yeah, I'll just screen share with you. Okay. Now you all can read now. Now all these days நம்ம என்ன பண்ணினோம், எப்படி read பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கறத தான் நம்ம படிச்சோம். போன கிளாஸ்ல I made you all read some words. So I was very happy all of you were able to read. Now we will see how we are going to go through this. Now this is Rama Shabdam. First, always this, how we have to say it, Akaranta, because it is ending in A. See, Rama. If you split it and write Refa, Aka, A, Makara, then A. Hasva. So, Rama. So, Akaranta. See how it is given. Akaranta, Pullinga. We must say like that. Akaranta, Pullinga, Rama Shabda. So, it is only Shabda. I explained to you in the last class. Shabdam na verum sound. Shabdam is only sound. Only when we are putting it in vibhakti. These are all called vibhaktis. Okay, the vibhaktis. These vibhaktis, Pratama, Dvitiya. Actually, we'll take Dvitiya. We will take Sambodhana at the end. Pratama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. So, Pratama, first vibhakti. Okay, so first vibhakti. So, Ramaha. See, there is a visarga. Ramaha. Ramaha is one Rama, only Rama. Then Ramau, 2 Ramas. ரெண்டு ராமர்கள். Ramaha is in the Bahuvachanam. Many Ramas. We have to think like that. ஒரு ராமர், இரண்டு ராமர்கள், நிறைய, more than two ராமர்கள். Okay, இரண்டு ராமர்கள் தான் நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். Two Ramas only we will say in English. Many Ramas. So that is how it is. This, I think I had sent this Shabda Manjari or book. I had sent it in the WhatsApp group. Shabda Manjari will have all the letters, all the words. But since this is good to share for you in the class, it is big. I think I will share this also with you, but konjam later padichittu I will share it. So now the Prathama is what? Prathama is the person who is doing the action. Now, what action? What action? Rama is reading. Rama is reading. Or Rama reads. What is that? Reading. Reading is patati. Patati. Pat. Pat is the dhatu. Okay. Pat. Every kriya padam. Again and again I repeat. Padam is different and shabda is different. Shabda is one that does not, that cannot, that should join with the vibhakti, then only it will become a join with the pratyaya. Pratyaya is a suffix. Okay, pratyaya na English it is called suffix. So I told you last class itself, subantam, tingantam, abdina enna? Subantam abdina, all these shabdas, in all these 8 vibhaktis, 7 vibhaktis only, the 8th one is only for calling. We'll just take 7 into 3. So 7 into 3, because everything we have ekavachanam, we have dvivachanam, and we have bahuvachanam also. So ekavachanam, dvivachanam, and bahuvachanam. So Ramaha patati. Rama reads. Here, patati. Pat is the dhatu. Pat. Dhatu na enna? That's the verb. That is the moola dhatu. Or dhatu abdina, it's a verb. Okay. Dhatu na verb. But adu endha dhatuva irukum? That will be a moola dhatu. The dhatu will be just like how in English we say to go is the infinitive. In English we say it is an infinitive. To come is the infinitive. But when we do the words of it, how do we say? He comes, she comes, it comes. They come, we come, you come. We do it like that. That's called conjugation. Conjugation of verbs. So the ஒரு action word இருந்ததுன்னா அதை எப்படி பண்றோம்? நம்ம தமிழ்லயும் பண்றோம். அவன் படிக்கிறான், அவள் படிக்கிறாள், அது படிக்கிறது நம்ம சொல்ல மாட்டோம். அவர்கள் படிக்கின்றனர். So இதுதான். This is how in Tamil, how we do it in English. That the same way, but in Sanskrit we have dvivachanam for everything, where only 2 people or 2 objects are used. So அந்த ரெண்டு பேருக்கு டக்குன வேர்பும் மாறும். இப்போ ஒருத்தருக்கு verb, one person verb is Ramaha, Pat is the moola dhatu. Okay, I don't have the Pat here. I will just see if I can just. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So now I'll just write and show you. Just don't keep your hand on your phone. Yeah. Now I said Rama. Is the board visible for everybody? If anybody it is not visible, tell me. Yeah. Yeah. Now, Rama is the Shabdam. When it is coming to noun, we say it is a shabdam. When it is coming to a verb, okay, kriya padam, we say dhatu. We say dhatu. So this Rama becomes the shabda. This pat becomes the dhatu. Okay. So Rama shabda. Pat dhatu. Patna to read. Now the Rama is the subject. So now supposing Rama reads. So how I will say Ramaha? I have to make it a padam. What is a padam? Padam is a word. First we saw shabda. Shabda is not a word. Shabda is only a combination of sounds. So there is another word for this in Sanskritam, which is called pratipadikam. Nalla parango. It is called pratipadikam. Prati, இப்படி கூட்டி கூட்டி எழுதினாதான் வரும். Prati pa di ka I told you ending, if there is you have to put makara. We should not put the anuswara on it. So pratipadikam. So Rama is the pratipadikam. We must know it is pratipadikam. Pratipadikam na enna, it is a shabdam. The shabda is only a combination of sounds. It is not a word. Nalla nyabagam vechukonga. Padam is a word. Padam. Padam. Now, what is the definition of a padam? What is a padam? A subantam or a tingantam. What is subantam? When we apply the 7 vibhaktis in the pratipadikam, we get the subantam, the sup antam. Sup. The sup is the pratyaya. Pratyaya na suffix. Pratyaya. See, I'm writing and showing because you should understand. Pratyaya. Okay. Pratyaya. Tya. That is a samyukta aksharam there. Pratyaya. So, the sup pratyaya and the ting pratyaya. So, sup is a pratyaya, ting is a pratyaya. Now we will read what is sup and what is ting little later. Now just to understand, so sup is used for the nouns. Ting is used for the verbs. Okay? ஒரு வேர்டு வந்து ஒரு சப்தம், ஒரு ஒலி, சப்தம், ஒரு பிராத்திபதிக்கம் சுப்புல எண்டாச்சுன்னா அது வந்து பதம், சுபந்தம். சுப் அந்தம், சுபந்தம். எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? சு த இன் த இம். சுபந்தம். If one dhatu, நல்லா பார்த்துக்கோங்க, if one dhatu ends in a with a ting pratyaya, dhatu ending in ting pratyaya will become tingantam. Ti ing antam. Ti nga. Tinga. Tingantam. Okay. Subantam. Tingantam. So, when there is a dhatu, if it ends with a dhatu, always ends with ting pratyaya. And a pratipadikam ends in a supratyaya. Okay. Subantam is a noun. Tingantam is a verb. புரியுறதா? இது வரைக்கும் anybody has any doubt? Please ask me now.
மேம் எனக்கு புரியவே இல்ல. சுமதி.
Yeah. என்ன
எனக்கு
தெரியும்?
வந்து என்னன்னா நான் வந்து இங்கிலீஷ்ல டிரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்ணி பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன். நவுனு, சப்ஜெக்ட், எது
Yeah,
அப்படின்னு எனக்கு அதனால எதுவுமே கனெக்ட் பண்ண முடியல மேம் இனியும்.
okay. You connect yourself.
Mhm.
Whenever in
Ma'am.
English, see, I told you the first day itself. If we learn, we can only learn some translations because we are familiar with English language. But if we try to convert everything from Sanskritam to English, it will be impossible because English is not an Indian language. But if you try to connect it with Hindi or Tamil, it will be possible because these two are Indian languages. But you can try to connect. What is your misunderstanding? Tell me now.
ஐ திங்க் சப்த இது பிரதிபதிக்கம்.
Pratipadikam.
பிராதிபதிக்கம்னா என்னது?
Pratipadikam, na, it is the word. What that is the word. A word in English has, you don't need, in a word in English does not need anything to be based after it. Okay. For example, now I will give you a very good example for this. Now, supposing I say Rama is a boy in English, correct? Or Rama reads a book. Now I tell you, Rama reads a book. Now, Rama is a word, right?
Yes.
Rama is a noun. Reads is a verb.
Yes.
Book is a noun again. Reads
Yeah.
is a verb.
Yeah.
Rama reads, is an article, we will leave it. If you do this, it is like this. If you paraphrase the sentence, Rama is a noun, reads is a verb, and book is a noun. Okay. Now, supposing I say, give Rama the book. You give Rama the book. If I don't even say you, it's okay. Give Rama the book. There, what happens to Rama? He again becomes the noun.
The noun, yes.
But the form remains the same, correct? Does the
Yeah.
form change?
No.
It doesn't change. Give Rama the book. Okay. But in Sanskritam, if you have to say that, you have to say Ramaha pustakam patati. Rama reads a book. Where Rama is the subject and object is pustakam and verb is patati, reads. If I say, give Rama the book, there again, there, Rama does not become a subject there. Correct?
Yes.
You give Rama. Okay, leave it. You misunderstood. Now, when I say the same Rama will be said in Sanskritam as Ramam. How do you say give? You can always say like this, right? Give the book to Rama.
Yes.
So to Rama, you give it to Rama. So there it becomes Ramam. When I say Ramaha, when I say Ramam, then only it becomes a Padam. In Sanskritam, that is only considered to be a word. The only Rama, see, I'm saying Ramaha, Ramam. That is a Padam. When I add the Supratyaya, I will teach you later. But just understand, if you add a prefix to Rama, then only it becomes a word. Until then, this Rama is only a mixture of sounds. The Pratipadikam does not get the status of a Padam.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Got it now?
Yes, yes.
So if you want a Padam, if it is only, if the words, the group of words, the group of letters, that is the Shabda, that is only the Pratipadikam. The Pratipadikam cannot be used alone without a suffix. They denote somebody. If I say Rama, it's a Pratipadikam. I cannot say anything with that. I have to say Ramaha, then only it means Rama. Give to Rama, I can say. Then Ramam. This is done by Rama. When I use the Tritiya Vibhakti, it is by, with Rama, by Rama. I have to say Ramena. Then
Okay,
for
understood now,
Rama.
ma'am.
Are you able to understand now?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
So when you are using these words, padam, that's what I said. The difference between a shabda or a pratipadikam and a padam. That is where you have to maintain yourself. Pratipadikam na enna. It's only a mixture of sounds that cannot be used. It can be used only where it is in Sambodhana. When I call somebody, I cannot say Ramaha, Ramam. I will only say Rama. So that is Sambodhana. When I call somebody, both Sambodhana means calling somebody, Sambodhana Pratama. So you call. So that becomes the 8th Vibhakti, which is not very much in use. We must know it, but we use it. அது எப்ப யூஸ் பண்றோம்? யாரையாவது நம்ம கூப்பிடும் பொழுதுதான் யூஸ் பண்றோம். ராமா அப்படின்னு யூஸ் பண்றோம். அப்ப நம்ம கூப்பிடும் போது என்ன பண்றோம்? ராமா. தள்ளி இருக்காருன்னா ஃபாரவேனா ராமா அப்படின்னு கூப்பிடும். Okay, so there only we use the Sambodhana. At that time also, the Pratama only gets the Sambodhana Rama. The others get Rama and Ramaha only. But it is the same as the first Vibhakti. Only in Ekavachanam it will get Rama, the Shabdam. That we will see when we go to the Vibhakti. Now what I wanted to tell you is, now what I am going to the subject. Shall I go to the subject, Sumati ma'am? Are you clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. So now this is Subantam. So I explained what is Subantam. The Subantam, the Sub Pratyayas are 21 in number. When these Pratyayas are added to the Pratipadikam, we get, I had sent you a small a photo of how it comes in English and how it comes in Tamil. I think I had sent it in the WhatsApp group only. I think you would, if you had time, you all would have gone through that.
Yes. We have seen that.
Yeah. So Ramanukku, Ramanal, Ramanai, Ramanukku, அப்படிதான் வரும். I don't know in Tamil it will be Ramanai, Ramanal, Ramanukku, Ramanidamiருந்து, Ramanuடைய, Ramanil. That is how it is in Tamil. So in English you say Rama, to Rama again, that will come in object, but we must not say two. Two will come always in the 4th Vibhakti. 3rd will be by Rama or with Rama. Then the 4th will be give unto him. That. Then the 5th will be from, or for will be also 4th. From will be 5th. Then 6th will be off. Then the 7th will be in, on, at. These are the simple meanings that we have to understand. இது புரிஞ்சிருந்தாதான் நம்மளால பண்ண முடியும். பட் இதெல்லாம் புரியறது ரொம்ப ஈஸி. இட்ஸ் ஈஸி டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். பட் சப்தாஸ் யூ ஹாவ் டு பை ஹார்ட். தெர் இஸ் நோ அதர் கோ அட் ஆல். பட் அகாராந்த புல்லிங்க சப்தா, இஃப் யூ பை ஹார்ட் ஒன் சப்தா, this all the akaranta pullinga will be the same way. So it will be very easy for us to remember. Okay, this is about Subantam. Now coming to Tingantam. Tingantam, I told you, Pat is a dhatu. That is the Moola dhatu. Dhatu. Dhatu, no, it's a verb. Now we say to read. Pat means to read. In English we say to read. Now Rama, you cannot say Rama read. You must say Rama reads. Correct? So, if I want to say Rama reads, I'll have to put Patati. Patati. That is only letter. That is only in present tense. I'm only talking about present tense. I am not at all talking about past tense or future tense. Only we will first see what is present tense. Patati. Rama reads. Now Ramaha. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Ramaha is the first person, is the singular. Okay? It's Ekavachanam. Singular. Ekavachanam. Ramaha, Ekavachanam. Shall I rub out this board?
Yes, mother.
My God, this board should not problem. I hope it doesn't give me problem. Now I said Ramaha Patati. Now Ramaha is only singular, Ekavachanam. Now I have to see Dvivachanam also. Now I have to see Dvivachanam. So in Dvivachanam, what is the subject here? Ramau. Ramau. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Okay. Ramaha. So, when the subject is changing, according to the subject, I told you, subject and verb should agree with each other. Okay? இதுதான் subject தான், அந்த subjectோட தான் verb agree ஆகணும். In any language, அவன் போகிறான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். அவள் போகிறாள். So, subject and verb should agree with you. அவர்கள்னா போகிறார்கள். அவர்கள் போகிறான். We cannot say. Whatever it is, the subject and the verb agree பண்ணணும். So now Ramau is Dvivachanam. I told you only two. So that it will be Pattataha. For the Dhatu, Patt. And the Shabda, Rama. Okay? So this is Rama Shabda, Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. When we are taking bath, you know, we must go on saying this and Punyamu kadakyu, we'll also memorize it. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Ramaha patati. Rama reads. Ramau patataha. Two Ramas read. Then Ramaha, many Ramas. நிறைய ராமாக்கள். பட்டந்தி, இந்தி. ஓகே? ராமஹ பட்டதி. ராமௌ பட்டதஹ. ராமாஹ பட்டந்தி. இதுல ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கா? Anybody has any doubt? Okay. This can be remembered by a simple ending. How? First Prathama Purusha. Now, I'll talk to you about it now. Titaha Anti. Titaha Anti. First person. First person is not first person, but it is Prathama Purusha. Now, just as we say Vibhakti for nouns, Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, like that, we say Prathama Purusha for verbs. Prathama Purushaha. Okay. Prathama Purushaha. See, எப்பொழுதுமே என்ன மட்டும்தான் நான் முதல்ல சொல்லிப்பேன். I. In English, I come first. First person, I. Second person, you. Third person, he. But in Sanskritam language, என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க, others only should be given more importance. I come at the end. See our culture, how it was. Now all of us are fighting. All of us are saying, I. The I-ness was not there in Sanskritam. They never thought of others. They never thought of themselves. They only thought about others. அடுத்தவங்களை பத்தி மட்டும்தான் நினைச்சாங்க. சோ அதனால அவளுக்கு தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுத்தா. So the Prathama Purusha is the third person in English. Then the Madhyama Purusha, the second person, as we say, that is Madhyama. The Madhyama Purusha is the second person, that is you. And Uttama Purusha. Uttama Purusha. Purusha, we must add with that. Okay. Madhyama Purusha. Uttama Purusha. These are the three Purushas. In Subantam, it is Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, Chaturthi Vibhakti, Panchami Vibhakti, Shashti Vibhakti, Saptami Vibhakti. நம்ம இந்த கேலண்டர்ல டேட் பார்க்கும்போது நம்ம பார்ப்போம்ல, பிரதமை, த்விதியை, திருதியை, சதுர்த்தி. That all we put it here. Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. The eighth one is Sambodhana. It is only used to call. So we will learn only 7. The eighth one we will learn, but it is not much of use. We use it only when we call somebody. Okay? So, but here in Prathama Purusha is always English third person. So when I talk about Rama is a boy, Rama becomes in English third person. But here in Sanskrita, it is Prathama Purusha. First person madri we treat it. Prathama Purusha. We don't say first person, second person and third person here. Prathama Purusha, then Madhyama Purusha and Uttama Purusha. What is Madhyama Purusha? Madhyama Purusha is, in English we say you. The same thing. Tvam. That all we have to learn. Then the Uttama Purusha is I. Number sonnolla aniki we did in our Sambhashanam. Aham Madurai Nagare Vasami. Aham Uttar sonna Aham Bengaluru Nagare Vasami. Aham London Nagare Vasami. Aham Mumbai Nagare Vasami. Okay. Aham Grihini Asmi. Aham Vaidya Asmi. Aham Karyalaye Karyam Karomi. All these when we spoke about ourselves. So we said aham. Aham is nothing but I. So that becomes Uttama Purusha. அப்ப நம்ம என்ன சொன்னோம்? Aham Vasami. நல்லா ஞாபகப்படுத்தி பாருங்க. Aham Bengaluru Nagare Vasami. Aham Mumbai Nagare Vasami. Okay? இப்போ please don't draw on the board. Take off your hands, please. So this is Prathama Purusha and the Madhyama Purusha. For Madhyama Purusha, we can just say see. I will send you this easier. Tha. See, these are the endings. Just the endings. Now I can say Tvam. Tvam means you. Okay. So that we will see all that later. See, Tha. The endings alone you keep in your mind. For Uttama Purusha, it is me, Vaha, and Maha. Ti, Taha, Anti. Now, how you, I said you study Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Raman, like that. Like that. Titaha, Anti, Sitaha, Tha, Mi, Vaha, Maha. If you study this ending and keep, you can easily put Patati, Patataha, Patanti, Patasi, Patataha, Patatha, Patami, Kadesi, Uttamala Mato, Akaranta Vandru. Patami, Patavaha, Patamaha. Okay, so this is very easy to remember. Titaha, Anti, Sitaha, Tha, Mi, Vaha, Maha. So, when I say Ramaha, Patati, Ramau, Patataha, Ramaha, Patanti. Okay, now I will just ask somebody to do this alone. Okay, the dhatu is gum, but it is written as gaccha. It takes the form of gaccha. So I say Ramaha gacchati. Rama goes. Yeah. Now Sumati madam, tell me. I put say ti taha anti. So Ramau, what will come?
Gachataha, is it?
Yes. Correct. So it's very easy. If you keep in mind ti taha anti, you can do.
Okay,
So,
thank you.
Gachataha. Gachataha. Ramya madam, are you there?
Yes, Mata.
Yeah. Then Ramaha.
Ramaha gachanti.
Yeah. Good. So this is how you all should understand. Gachanti. So always for the Prathama Purusha, ti taha anti. With this, we can do many verbs with many words. Okay. Now we said Rama. Okay. Now if I say, I'll just rub out the... Anybody has any doubt in this? Have you understood? Anybody wants to ask anything? Because I'll rub the board. Okay. Venkatachalam sir, you are coming after 2 classes. Are you able to follow?
Yeah, yes, madam. I'm able to follow.
Yeah.
மேடம் தனலட்சுமி.
சொல்லுங்கம்மா.
மத்தியம புருஷக உத்தம புருஷன் இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்லுங்க.
சொல்றேன். ஓகே.
தீதக அந்தி, சீதக அது என்ன வேர்ட் அந்திங்கிற மாதிரி?
தீ தக அந்தி. சி taha. This will be the second takara. Mahaprana takara. Okay. Tha. Then mi. Vaha. Maha. Okay. So, okay. Now, first we are going to use only the first one. Prathama Purusha. First we must know Prathama Purusha. Then come to this is the Prathama Purusha. Just I am putting 1, 2, 3. But that is called Madhyama Purusha. This is Uttama Purusha. It is not first, second, third. Just for our connotation, I am putting it here. Okay. இப்போ நான் உங்ககிட்ட கேக்குறேன் தனலட்சுமி மேடம். நான் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு dhatu, I'll give you an easy dhatu. Khad. Khad, not to eat. Khad. To eat. If I put somebody's name. Sita. சீதா ஈட்ஸ், சீதா சாப்பிடுகிறாள். என்ன சொல்லுவேள்? அதுக்கு என்ன போடுவேள்?
காத்தி
திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க.
காத்தி
இப்ப நான் பட்டுக்கு என்ன சொன்னேன்?
படத்தி
அப்ப காதுக்கு நீங்க எப்படி போடணும்?
காததி.
அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்?
ஓகே.
காததி, காததி. ஓகே. இப்போ now this Sita is not a pullinga. Sita is a strilinga.
புல்லிங்கம்.
So it is not pullinga. Pullinga கிடையாது. புல்லிங்கம்னா நம்ம ராமஹ, ராமோ, ராமாஹான்னு சொல்லிட்டோம். பிரதமா விபக்தியில ஏகவச்சனம், த்விவச்சனம், பகுவச்சனம். We said ராமஹ, ராமோ, ராமாஹா. அதே மாதிரி சீதாக்கும் சொல்லணும்ல, ஏகவச்சனம் சீதா. Somebody please mute. Yeah. Sita. This here in the Strilingam it will be different. Sita, Site. Sita. In Dvivachanam it will be Site. But in the Bahuvachanam it will be Sitaha.
சீதாஹா. சீதே சீதாஹா.
இப்ப தனலட்சுமி மேடம் சொல்லுங்க. சீதே என்ன சொல்லுவேள்?
சீதே.
Two Sitas.
காதசி.
காததி சொல்லுவேளா? நல்லா பாருங்க.
காதத்தி இல்ல, காதசி.
I think I made a mistake here. First singular. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, and Bahuvachanam. Ti Ekavachanam, Taha Dvivachanam, Anti Bahuvachanam. Okay. So now what you will say here?
காதந்தி.
Kadanti is Dvivachanam or Bahuvachanam? Ti, Taha, Anti in sonam. Ti Ekavachanam, Taha Dvivachanam, Anti Bahuvachanam. Ipa Site enna vachanam?
சீதே ஏகவச்சனம்.
Sita da Ekavachanam. Okay.
சரி.
இது Dvivachanam. இது Bahuvachanam. Okay. Sita, Site, Sitaha. இப்ப சீதேக்கு என்ன verb சொல்லுவேன்? தீத்தஹ அந்தில இருந்து எதை எடுத்துக்குவேன்?
காததி.
காததி போட்டுட்டோமே. சீதா காததி. சீதா சாப்பிடுகிறாள். இரண்டு சீதாக்கள் சாப்பிடுகிறார்கள். அதுக்கு எப்படி சொல்லுவேன்? திவிவச்சனம். இங்க திவிவச்சனம் என்ன இருக்கு?
தஹ.
அப்ப எப்படி சொல்லணும்?
காததஹ.
புரியுறதாமா?
புரியுது. புரியுது.
இப்ப சீதாஹா பகுவச்சனம். பகுவச்சனம். பகுவச்சனத்துக்கு என்ன சொன்னோம் நம்ம? அந்தி. அப்போ எப்படி சொல்லணும்?
காதந்தி.
அவ்வளவுதான்.
தேங்க்யூ மேடம். புரியுது, இப்ப புரியுது.
அதான். So kadati, kadataha, kadanti. Is everybody clear about how to do this?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? Okay.
மாதா
சொல்லுங்கம்மா.
சீத்தே ராமாவும் சொன்னோம், பட் இங்க சீத்தே சொல்றோம்.
அது வந்து that is the form, that is the form. Feminine இப்படிதான் வரணும். ராமஹ ராமௌ ராமாஹா தான். ஆனா சீதே சீதே சீதா சீதே சீதாஹா தான். ரமா ரமே ரமாஹா. ஓகே. மாலா
Okay.
மாலே மாலாஹா. புரியுறதாமா?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now we saw one in Pullingam. We saw one in Strilingam. We saw Ramaha in Pullingam. We saw Sita in Strilingam. Now we will see Phala Shabdam. Phalana fruit. Akaranta Napumsakalinga. Okay, it is Napumsaka. Napumsaka. It is not masculine, it is not feminine, it is neuter. Napumsakalinga. Fruit. அப்போ அது எப்படி வரும் ஏக வச்சனத்துல? பலம் பலம் பலே. Somebody is on unmute, ma. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Palani. Palam. Pale. Palani. அங்க எப்படி சொன்னோம்? ராமஹ ராமௌ ராமாஹா. பிரதமா விபக்தி. Then Sita Site Sitaha. Prathama vibhakti alone. Phalam phale phalani in Napumsaka lingam. Now phalam. Okay, Dhanlakshmi madam. Dhanlakshmi madam, please read now. Yeah. So
Mic
please mute. Yeah, please mute yourself. Yeah. இப்போ வந்து நம்மளுக்கு இப்போ பலம். இப்போ நம்ம எப்படி ஒரு தாத்து, I will give you a dhatu for this. Okay. இப்போ நான் வந்து just imagine, because நான் காதத்தி ஆல்ரெடி கொடுத்துட்டேன். காதத்தி அப்படின்னு சொல்லாம நான் பலம் பலம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லும் பொழுது I can just say I cannot. Okay, பலம் எப்படி சொல்றது? புஷ்பத்தி சொல்லலாம், விக்கசத்தி சொல்லலாம், பக்வத்தி will be very difficult. Okay, I will put another word here because I think to make you understand it will be very difficult. Palam pale palani. Okay.
வதத்தின கீழே விழறதா?
பத்தத்தின கீழே விழறது.
பலம் வதத்தி.
பத்தத்தி சொல்லலாம். Okay, we can say that. Very nice. Thank you. Phalam. Okay. Phale. Yeah. Phalani. Okay. Yeah, I want everybody to be please on mute, please.
Mata Dhanalakshmi is on.
Dhanalakshmi madam, konjam mute பண்ணிடுங்கம்மா. I hope she can.
madam. என்னோட phone.
Okay. Yeah. I muted her. Maybe she don't.
Bhuvana also, ma'am.
Yeah, Bhuvana madam, please mute yourself. Yeah. So now she was telling about pat dhatu. Good. Okay. Pat. Now I want somebody else to do this. Venkatachalam sir, neenga பண்ணுங்க. You do it.
Yes, madam.
Palam pale palani. Ti taha anti. How you write? Pat is the dhatu, to fall. Okay.
Okay. Palam patati.
Okay.
Pale pattaha. Palami pattanti.
Good, sir. So I think everybody, I did in all the three lingams. Did you notice any change in the formation of the verb? ஏதாவது change இருந்ததா? Was there any change?
இல்ல மேம்.
அந்த தாத்து வந்துட்டு வேற ரூபம் எடுத்திருந்தது இல்லையா? இப்ப காது தாத்துனாக்கா காதத்தின்னு ஆச்சு, பட்டு தாத்து பட்டத்தின்னு ஆச்சு. You are asking that or?
No. Did titaha anti change with any lingam?
No.
இல்ல
Yeah.
ma'am.
In all the lingam it was. No. Sorry.
It did not change at
No,
all.
it did not change either.
Okay. So that is the lakara. You say this is the lat lakara. Lat vartamane we say. Lat means present tense. Lakaraha is actually a form of it, but we just say that lat is the present. Lat lakaraha. Okay, lakara is there because there are many things. Lakara is used to say present tense. We say no like that. Lat vartamane. Lat is used for the present tense. I'm only teaching you present tense, nothing else. So when I say phalam patati, phale patataha, phalani patanti. Ramaha patati, ramau patataha, ramaha patanti. Sita khadati, site khadataha, sitaha khadanti. So the lakara does not change with the lingam. Are you able to follow me?
Yes.
All the three lingams, the verb formation will not change. Whereas in other language, in English it will not change. But in Tamil, aval padikkiral, avan padikkiran. Do we say that? So like that, this it will not change. In Sanskritam, it will not change. The lakaras will not change. Are you able to get that? Okay. Now,
Yes ma'am.
this is the main point. I took all the three lingams for you to follow. Is there any doubt in what I said now? Only now it is for you to study. You have to by heart it. Ramaha Ramau like that. Any Sanskrit learner, யார்கிட்ட வேணாலும் கேளுங்கோ, நிறைய எழுதி பார்க்கணும். You must by heart a lot. Writing only helps. See, we are all not 17-year or 10-year-old and 11-year-old to memorize. நம்மளால அவ்வளவு memorize பண்ண முடியாது. Of course, some of them will have exceptional skills. But memorize, everybody cannot memorize. So you have to be careful that you write and practice. Writing, that is why I give homework. Writing தான் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து வரும். So இது நீங்க புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Okay. Now we saw Ramaha Patati. Okay. Now what about the second? This is the first one. First, Pratama Purusha. In the Pratama Purusha, everything is added. Everything will come. Everything means what? Third person. Any third person. It can be Rama. It can be anybody. It can be even he. He also will be in the Pratama Purusha. She, it. Okay. Everything. The Uttama Purusha will have only I. We two, we all. நாங்கள் இரண்டு பேர், நாங்கள் அனைவரும். Then the Madhyama Purusha will have you two, you all. நீங்கள் இருவர், நீங்கள் அனைவரும். So that is how it is done. So that is there. It will only have aham for the first person, Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam, and tvam for the Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. Then there will be things that we will see later. Before that, I wanted to take you to the infant reader. Do you have, all of you have the infant reader with you? or I shall screen share it. Otherwise, I will screen share it today.
It's there, Mata.
Okay, I will share it. Now, after all the what we did all these days, this is all were forerunners. அதாவது முன்னாடியே நம்ம எல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சுட்டோம். ஏன்னா இந்த புக் நம்ம இன்னைக்கு தான் தொடரும். This book has got, I don't know whether all of you have opened and seen. திறந்து பார்த்தேலான்னு தெரியாது. It has got all the Samyukta Aksharani. It has got, see, so many Samyukta Aksharani. Then it has got Gunita Aksharani. Of all Gunita Aksharani is there. And then Vyanjanani. So, first, Swaraha. Swaraha is Achaha. Okay? Ach. Swara means Ach. And then Vyanjana or Atava Halnu Potrika. Halaha. Halaha, the consonants. Vyanjanani or Halaha. Then, these are all Gunita Aksharams. Then comes the Samyukta Aksharam. If you have the book, please go through it. Or keep it on your laptop also and see. Samyukta Aksharani. Now we come to the first lesson. Okay. Now, one of you who I want to. Beena ma'am, read the first 2 lines. First line, 2 sentences.
I am Ajaha. I am Gajaha.
Okay. Now, Ajaha, the photo is given here. Ajaha, goat, adu.
Goat.
Gajaha,
Elephant.
elephant, yane. Now, in the first I am means this. This, okay. We will see from which word it comes as we go on. I am, this. This is a goat. This is an elephant. Idu aadu, idu elephant. Okay. Now, please mute yourself, ma. Now, first one is given as I am Ajaha. I'm just making it big. I am Ajaha. I am Gajaha. In the first one, the Makara is here. The Makama with Halant. Makara. In the second one, it is Anuswara. Both are having the same pronunciation. I am. Iduvum I am da, aduvum I am da. Okay? This is also I am. That is also I am. But why they are putting here Makara and why they are putting there Anuswara ஏன் போடுறாங்க, இங்க ஏன் Makara போடுறா, அத நம்ம முதல்ல தெரிஞ்சுக்குவோம். Whenever the second word, இப்ப I am Ajaha. இப்ப what is A? Is a Swaraksharam or Vyanjanaksharam?
Swaraksharam.
Yes. Bhanumati madam, when I ask you tell, okay? Because let others also answer.
Sorry.
Yeah, please. So, it is a Ajaha is a Swaraksharam. Nalla paathukongo. When the Makara ending is followed by a Swaraksharam, you should not put Anuswara. This is the first rule in writing Sanskritam. To differentiate this only, they have given you I am Ajaha, I am Gajaha. So, when we are starting to write, whenever a word ends, Pustakam, a word ends with Makara. Pustakam can either be written as, Pustakam can either be written as Pustakam, or it can also be written as Pustakam. Correct? Is there any mistake in the pronunciation? Yes?
Correct, ma'am.
Correct. Okay. Now, both are Pustakam. But why I am writing like this? Makara. If it is a word, separate word, Pustakam, I should not put this Anuswara. Or if I am writing this word ending. Okay. Now if I say Pustakam, idam Pustakam. This is a book. See, this is only the full stop in Sanskritam. You have to draw one line like this here. Idam Pustakam. Now here, when I said idam Pustakam, that idam, it's here, but I'm putting a visargam here because the pakara here, it is followed by Pustakam. That Pustakam, is it a Swaraksharam or Vyanjanaksharam? Revati madam, tell me. Pakara is a Swaraksharam or Vyanjanaksharam?
Vyanjanaksharam.
Okay.
Vyanjanaksharam.
Okay. Because it is a Vyanjanaksharam, I am putting a Anuswara here. Okay. If it is a Swaraksharam, I will not put there. Okay. So, idam Pustakam. So, if I say idam, idam annam. Is it right? Beena madam, is it
No.
right or wrong?
It is wrong.
Why?
Because A is Swaraksharam, no? So we have to do it, the ending should be with that Ma with the line.
Good. Just understand this. Did you understand this basic thing now? All of you?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So I go back to that book which I was sharing. Okay. Okay. So this is what I wanted to show you. So now I am Ajaha. I am Gajaha. So this is a goat. This is a, see here the verb is not there. The verb is understood. I am Ajaha Asti. Astina is. I am Gajaha Asti. That is okay. It is understood there. So we don't, at the beginning level, we don't need to see that. Now, next to Bhanumati madam. Can you read the next two?
Yes, ma'am. Bala, Mala. Iyam Bala, Iyam Mala.
Yeah. Okay. So, Ayam is Pullinga, Iyam is Strilinga. So, Bala. Bala is a girl, a small girl. A small girl, Bala. Iyam Mala. So, Mala, garland. So, why I am putting Ayam for Pullinga, whereas I am putting Iyam for Strilinga. So, this, the meaning is only this. Idu, Tamil. Idu, Ade. Idu, Yanai. Idu, Chirumi. Idu, Malai. But the same, this, I am Pullinga, it is Ayam. In Strilinga, it is Iyam. Understood this? And here, Bala, Mala, both are Halant. Halaksharam. No, I should not say Hal for it. Vyanjanaksharam. Those two are Vyanjanaksharam. So, I am using the Anuswara here. Okay. The next thing. Ramya madam, can you read?
Patram. Idam patram.
Nalla paathu
Patram.
padingumo.
Patram,
Mm,
idam patram,
mm,
netram,
mm.
idam netram.
Yes. So, idam patram, idam netram. So, the same, this is a patram, this is a vessel. Here, this is an eye, netram. But these all are napumsakalinga. The first one, ajaha, gajaha, pullingam, bala, mala, strilingam, and patram, netram, napumsakalingam. Idam patram. This is a patram, a vessel. Okay, vessel only. Patram na vessel da. Gataha na da pot. So pot, though the thing is, picture is like a pot, it's not a pot, okay? Patram, vessel. Idam netram. This is an eye. Okay, netram, singular. Netram. Okay. Is everybody able to follow this? Anybody has any
Yes, ma'am.
doubt? No doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, every lesson, there will be a glossary. There will be a glossary at the end. In that, meaning will be given. See, I am, iyam, idam. This. Kaha, kakim, we will see later. Okay. Ajaha, M means masculine, goat. Gajaha, masculine, elephant. Bala, girl. Mala, garland. Patram, he has given pot here, but don't, it's okay. Leave it. Pot also is a vessel. We'll keep it like that. Netram, eye. Napumsakalingam. See, N means Napumsakalingam. Ashvaha, horse. Naraha, man. Jihva, tongue. Nasa, nose. Vishwam, universe. Now, Ashvaha. Okay, the Ashvaha. Now I want Sumati madam. Ashvaha. What will you use? I am, iyam, idam. Now, what will you use and tell me?
I am because it's male.
Okay. Now tell me the sentence.
I am Ashwaha.
Okay. Yes, next. Dhanalakshmi madam. Use the next one. Naraha. Are you there? Are you there, ma? Naraha. என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவேல்? அயம், இயம், இதம். இந்த மூணுல எதை யூஸ் பண்ணுவேல்?
இயம்.
ஏன்?
வெஞ்சனாட்சரம்.
நரஹா வந்து மாஸ்குலைனா, ஃபெமினைனா, நியூட்டரா? என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க?
மாஸ்குலைன்.
மாஸ்குலைன்னா என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? அஸ்வஹாக்கு என்ன போட்டேல்?
அஸ்வஹ.
சாரி, அஜஹாக்கு என்ன போட்டேல்?
அயம்.
மாஸ்குலைன். அப்போ இங்க நரஹ மாஸ்குலைன் என்ன போடணும்?
அயம் நர.
அயம் நரஹ. ஓகே, அயம் நரஹ. அது மட்டும் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். மாஸ்குலைன்னா அயம். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் பீனா மேடம்.
Yes.
Read the next one.
I am.
Next one. You read first the letter. The tongue. What is the letter?
It is idam jivha.
What is it?
Idam jivha.
Jihva. Hakara, vakara. Okay. So Jihva. Okay. I am, iyam or idam. What you should write?
Idam. No, not. It's a feminine. Iyam jihva.
Yes. This is how you should understand.
Yeah.
Revati madam, next.
Nose, nasa, iyam, sound. Iyam, nasa.
Okay. Ramya madam, next.
Vishwam, napumsakalingam. So, idam vishwam.
hope everybody has understood. Has everyone
ma'am.
understood here?
Yes, Mata.
Ayam, iyam, idam. In the moonum, we are using ayam for pullinga, iyam for strilinga, and idam for napumsakalinga. இது மட்டும் நல்லா தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. அது ஐயம் எப்படி வருதுங்கிறது after seeing Rama Shabdam and all that, we will see. Okay? Now we will go to the Sambhashanam. I had given இது கொடுத்திருந்தேனேமா நான் வந்து. Yes, I had given that how you must say your on the group I had given. My name is, I live in Swaparichayah. I hope all of you have done it. Or just, we will discuss. At least you must be able to say Swaparichaya.
எனக்குங்கிறதுக்கு என்ன வேர்டு யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? எனக்குக்கு என்ன வேர்டு யூஸ் பண்ணணும்?
In what
Sanskritல எனக்கு.
context? What context you want to use?
இல்ல நீங்க வந்துட்டு I have 2 children அப்படி சொல்லி போட்டுருந்தேன் இல்லையா? சோ அந்த இடத்துல ஐக்கு வந்துட்டு அப்போ அதே மம தான் வருமா?
இல்ல வராது. Okay, I will tell you that when it comes. Okay. இப்போ வந்து that is why we are going to discuss it in the class. Yeah. Now, first, my name is. So how are you going to say? Venkatachalam sir, you didn't come last class also. So solungo about yourself.
Mama nama Venkatachalam.
Aham kutra Bhavan kutra vasati.
Okay. Aham Muscat Nagare Vasami.
Aham Muscat Nagare Vasami. Okay. Okay, you're going to say this. Ipo ninga what do you do? Last time I asked. Oh, I am a doctor. I am a housewife. So aham karyalaye. I work in an office. Means aham karyalaye. If I work in a bank, I will say aham vittakoshe. Vittakosha means bank. If I am working in an office, aham karyalaye. Okay, karyalaye, in the office. Karyalaye karyam karomi. Now tell me.
Okay.
Bhavan kim
Harivom.
karoti?
Aham Karyalaye Karyam Karomi.
Aham karyalaye karyam
Karomi.
So, okay. So next, now we will go to the Swaparichaya, what I had sent. What I had sent?
My name is, I live in, I have dash children. My son lives in, my daughter lives in, my husband's wife's name is. That is what
Okay.
you have sent to Mother.
Yeah. So just you have to write. Now you have to tell me. Mama. Okay. Now Bhanumati madam was asking me. I have. Okay. Myself. Okay. Swaparichaya. So I'm not having my phone with me. So I don't know what I have written. Just check it 1 minute. What I gave you all myself. I want to check it. I sent it today only, no?
Mata, I sent in your WhatsApp.
Yeah, sure.
Yesterday, madam.
Yesterday, Mata.
Yesterday I sent it. I
Yesterday, Mata.
can't find it. Okay. Now,
உங்களோட வாட்ஸ்அப்ல பாருங்க நான் அனுப்பிச்சேன்.
yeah.
எனக்கு வரலையே மேம்.
யாருக்கு வரலமா?
லலிதா
Lalita
பாலாஜி.
Balaji, madam. I go. Oh, you're there in the class. I didn't notice it.
ஆமா.
Okay. It's actually. Is it? Have I sent it in the group? I think I sent it.
Yes,
Mata.
Mata.
Yesterday
It
you
is
have
there in
sent
the
it.
group.
You have sent it in the group today.
Yesterday.
I don't know. It's okay.
இன்னைக்கு
Whether I sent
காலையில
it today.
இன்னைக்கு காலையில தான் அனுப்பியிருக்கீங்க.
இல்ல எனக்கு வரலையே.
இல்லம்மா, yesterday you have sent at 11:05.
It's okay. Lalita Balaji, madam. One of you send it to her, please. Yeah.
Okay.
So, my name is Mama Nama. Now, first I will say, okay. Now, how I say, you see. Mama Nama Gomati. Aham Madurai Nagare Vasami. Aham Grihini Asmi. Mama Dvau Balakau Staha. Staha means, here you have to say, I have 2 children. Okay, Asti Staha Santi, that's all we will say. Mama Dvau Balakau Staha. Okay, or I can, first I put like that. Then, Mama Putraha London Nagare Vasati. Mama Putri America Deshe Vasati. Mama Patyuhu Nama Venkata Subramaniyaha. Understood? This is what Swaparichayaha. Now come on. First, who is coming forward?
Mata, can you just repeat the last sentence?
Mama Patyuhu.
Patyuhu. Okay.
Okay.
Mama Patyuhu
Nama.
Namaha. And the name. Okay, Mata.
Okay. If I have one child, Mama Eka Balakaha Asti.
Okay.
If I have more than 2, Balakaha, Ramaha Ramau Ramaha. Like that. Balakaha, Balakau, Balakaha. Okay, if 1 means Asti. If 2, Enama? Please mute yourself, madam. If 2 means Staha. If 3 means 2, more than 2 means Santi. Like Anti came, no? Ti Taha Anti. Like that. Asti, Staha, Santi. Is it okay for you now? Can you all say this? Yes.
Mata.
Start. Cholunga.
Revati.
Cholunga.
Mama Nama Revati. Aham Ramnath Nagare Vasami. Aham Grihini Asmi. Mama Swau Balakau Dvau. Dakara Vakara. Dvau. Mama Putraha Singapore Nagare Vasami. Vasati. Putraha na Vasati da. Vasami namakku mattum da. Aham Vasami. Okay. He's 3rd person. Okay.
Okay.
Vasati. Mama Putri Chennai Nagare Vasati.
அவ்வளவுதான்.
Mama Patyuhu Nama Venkadachalam.
Okay. Okay. The next. Who is ready?
நான் சொல்றேன்.
Okay, சொல்லுங்க.
हरि ओम. मम नाम सुमति.
ம்.
मम लण्डन् नगरे वसामि.
அகம்.
अहं लण्डन् नगरे वसामि. अहं वैद्या अस्मि.
ம்.
मम द्वौ पुत्रे
இல்ல, பாலகௌ. முதல்ல சொல்றேன்.
बालकौ
ம்.
स्तः.
தக. ம்.
स्तः.
ம்.
मम पुत्र लण्डन् नगरे
मम पुत्रः
मम पुत्रः लण्डन् नगरे
वसति.
वसति. मम पत्युः नाम कृष्णन्.
Oh, you want to say both your children stay in London?
No, the other son, okay. I didn't know how to say first son and second son.
Okay. एकः पुत्रः.
मम एकः पुत्रः लण्डन् नगरे वसति. सेकेण्ड् सन्.
அப்ப अन्य
पुत्र
एकः पुत्रः.
अन्य एकः पुत्रः लाङ्कास्टर् नगरे वसति. Thank you.
Then the last one.
मम पत्युः नाम कृष्णन्.
Okay. We can also say Krishnaha also. Okay.
Krishna.
Pure Sanskritam, they say Krishnaha. Even Venkatachalam sir can also say Venkatachalaha. You can say that, but I feel that okay. But pure Samskrita Sambhashanam people say no. They have to say like that. Okay, next. Come on. Who's coming?
I'll say.
Anybody?
Can I say?
Yeah, say Beena ma'am. Say.
मम नाम बीना. अहं मुंबई नगरे वसामि. अहं गृहिणी अस्मि. मम द्वौ
गृहिणी. अहं गृहिणी
अस्मि.
अस्मि. Okay.
अस्मि. Sorry.
अस्मि only. Okay. अस्मि.
अस्मि. मम द्वौ बालकौ स्तः. मम एकः पुत्री.
एका पुत्री. स्त्रीलिंगम्.
एका पुत्री लंडन देशे वसति. मम अन्य एका पुत्री अमेरिका देशे वसति.
Then last one.
मम पत्युः नाम सुन्दरः.
Okay. Yes, Bhanumati madam.
मम नाम भानुमति. अहं बेंगलुरु नगरे वसामि. अहं गृहिणी अस्मि. मम त्रयः मम त्रयः बालकाः सन्ति. मम पुत्री सऊदी अरेबिया देशे वसति. मम एकः पुत्रः बेंगलुरु नगरे वसति. अन्यः पुत्रः अमेरिका देशे वसति. मम पत्युः नाम गोपालशेषनः.
Seshan. Okay. Gopala Seshan. Okay. I thought Gopala Krishna. Okay. Then Dhanalakshmi madam.
Madam. Hari Om.
Solrela?
Hari Om. मम नाम धनलक्ष्मी. अहं मुंबई नगरे वसामि. द्वौ
बालकौ स्तः.
सः द्वौ
बालकौ स्तः.
मम द्वौ बालौ स्तः.
Balau also is okay. No problem. Okay. Balau or Balakau both are right. Balau stagha. Okay.
मम पुत्रः अमेरिका नगरे वसति.
अमेरिका देशे.
ओ अमेरिकादेशे वसति।
Hmm.
मम पुत्री चेन्नैनगरे वसति।
Hmm.
मम पत्युः नाम நடராஜன்.
Natarajah.
நடராஜः. ஓகே.
Lalita, madam. Are you in a place to say?
हरि ओम.
Hmm.
मम नाम ललिता बालाजी. अहं सिंगपूर नगरे वसति.
Vasami.
अहं सिंगपूर नगरे वसामि. Retired, what did I say? Retired teacher, what should I say?
Oh, I don't want that. Just say what you are now. Then I have to teach you all that past and all that. Let us not go too further.
Okay.
Go step by step.
अहं गृहिणी अस्मि.
Hmm.
मम द्वौ
Hmm.
द्वौ पुत्रौ पुत्रौ ஒரு பையன் ஒரு பொண்ணு.
Balakau, balakau.
द्वौ बालकौ स्तः. मम पुत्रः बेङ्गलूरु नगरे वसति. मम पुत्री सिंगपूर नगरे वसति. मम पत्युः नाम बालाजी.
Okay. Then Ramya, madam.
1 minute. இந்த சேஷன்னு சேஷக சொல்ல நடராஜன் நடராஜன். இப்ப பாலாஜின்னு வெறும் பாலாஜி.
Balaji. Okay, Balaji. He could சொல்லலாம். If you have to add a visargam, the last letter sound only will come in the visargam.
Okay. Okay.
Ramya, madam.
हरि ओम माता. मम नाम रम्या कार्तिक. अहं बेङ्गलूरु नगरे वसामि. अहं संगीत अध्यापकः अस्मि.
Adhyapika. I told you last time.
अध्यापिका
Sangeeta Adhyapika Asmi.
अस्मि. मम द्वौ बालकौ स्तः. मम पुत्रः वेलूर नगरे वसति. मम पुत्री बेङ्गलूरु नगरे वसति. मम पत्युः नाम कार्तिकः. धन्यवाद.
Uma madam. Uma madam, are you there? Okay. Anybody else wants to say? I have not heard from many of you.
மேம் வைஃப்னா இப்ப அதுக்கு என்ன சொல்ல முடியும்? இப்ப சொல்லணும்.
Patni.
பத்னி.
मम नाम
Yes.
उमा.
Hmm.
अहं मधुरै नगरे वसति.
Vasami.
वसामि. अहं गृहिणी अस्मि.
Hmm.
मम द्वौ बालकौ स्तः.
Balakau stah.
मम पुत्रः अमेरिकादेशे वसति.
Deshe.
अमेरिका देशे वसामि.
Vasati.
वसन्ति.
For us only. Namble cholikimoda vasami. For others, vasati.
वसति. मम पुत्री बेङ्गलूरु नगर में वसति. मम पत्युः नाम गणेशः.
Okay. Yeah. So I hope everybody could follow this.
Sorry, 3 க்கு இன்னொரு சொல்லுங்க. த்ரயஹவா.
Trayaha. Because you are saying balakaha. Okay. Where you balakaha is pullinga, so that should match. This is visheshana. We have adjective, no 3. So it should match the noun. So trayaha, dvau, ekaha. So that adjective should go along with the noun. The grammatical concepts are the same. Only thing, the words are new to us. Is it?
Thank you.
So, yeah. I hope everybody has followed today's class. I'll be just giving you 1 minute.